Okay, trendsetters, we're going to finally do another little video of a workshop tour again. Sorry it's been so long, and sorry for keep saying sorry about how long it's been. If you want to see anything in particular, it's probably a good time to just let us know. Maybe we can sort of put some stuff up that you guys are interested in. So here's the vehicles we'll be talking about today. Got a 61 Kombi in here that's come back from the panel beaters, and we're just sort of going through the assembly process and building a nice engine for it as well. So, and disc brakes on the front and a bit of a suspension rebuild and a gearbox upgrade. So it's looking a bit sort of messy at the moment, but it's just about to head off to the trimmers because we've done all the mechanical work barring installing the engine, but we need the trim installed. Got a 1302 for a local lady that's just sort of redoing a sort of family vehicle. She's had it painted black, and we're just about to, well, it's just come back from the trimmers, and we're just going to finish that off with sort of changing, getting the bumpers re-chromed and the wheels re-chromed and finishing a few more things on it. So that's just come back, and we'll be getting into that. It's nice, it's got wee high back seats, which you don't see so much these days on the wee 1302. And yeah, a new interior, so it's looking quite good. There's the Kombi gear. You can see a little bit of our brake work there, just sort of setting it all up for certification with the dual circuit brakes and the discs and the pressure switch and so on, and also the bracket that we've made there for the accessible reservoir. So yep, it's all looking good. Just had an order of trim come in for it, so yeah, that's all good. Kombi gear there, I think we've gone over that one before. 914, we just sort of done some mechanical work. Unfortunately the rego lapsed on the owner's car for this, so we're just getting through all that, and we've gone through and replaced the rotors, some suspension on it, and fixed a few engine problems, and getting that ready, and that will be going down to compliance next week when they've got a booking. The old 914s, you don't see many of them. They're a bit sort of divided opinion on them, the styling. I've always said, for me, I've never really liked the styling so much, Kombi gear styling, interestingly enough, but a fantastic car to drive. So sort of the best view of them is sitting in one and looking out, really. And got a Kombi coming down from Wellington. The owner's done some great work getting it to this stage. With the panel work and the fit out and of all the parts and so on. You probably notice it's got a bit of mismatched wheels and slope towards the front. It's because it's sort of halfway through its suspension change. So it's been shipped down to us. They've installed one of our narrow beams with the disc brakes on it there, and we're going to be fitting a CSP IRS kit, rear suspension in the back of it for him, and then sorting out a little bit of ride height. And the disc brake kit's one of our rear disc brake kits, which you probably would have seen on the Volkswagen New Zealand Kev Combi, with the wide 5 wheelwood rear disc brake with the independent handbrake that we're now offering. So yeah, we're looking into that. The owner's chosen some great colours there and a great fit out, and the finish on it's really good, so we'll be getting through that. Quite looking forward to that one. The CSP kits are so much of a dream to fit compared to some of the other kits available, and will always be our go-to if you're looking at IRS on the back of your split window Kombi. So we've got this one here, some down Invercargill way. It's been a bit of a project, and it's taken a little bit longer than we'd like, but there's a lot to be done and a lot to get through. So we've built a just over 2 litre engine for this one. You can sort of see it there. We've put a new gearbox in it with taller gearing, and also a taller 4th gear, because they still want to retain the reduction hubs. So we've worked out what the gearing kind of would work well at the right rev range and with the power used, because this client here is going to be towing a little trailer as well. So because with more power comes with more speed and especially more weight, they've also gone for one of the TMN Good Brake front disc brake kits. So yeah, that's all installed, and also with a booster on the front there. Still remaining that stock height, and going to be just running stock height, clearance and everything like that, so it's allowed us a little bit more room for the oil cooler setup. And so on with that, you can sort of see the bits of the workings in there as we go around. Oh, you see the new gearbox there. So yeah, that's what they're getting. We're on the sort of tail end of it. We should have it up and running soon and mobile, go through that cert process that it needs, and we'll get it going for them, and yeah, back on the road and get it back in their hands in time for summer, so that'll be fantastic. So yeah, just getting over here, we've got a few engines on the go as per usual. Running out of room. That's the Combi gear engine. That's a Type 34 for a client in Wellington. We'll have that up and running soon. We've just got some part in that will allow us to continue with that. A couple of other ones on the build there on the go. Type 4 2.3 litre with Porsche cooling as well. That's for another client. So yeah, that's just a quick snapshot of what we're up to. I've always got parts coming in. We don't really mention that much because it's a bit boring, but parts coming in. We've got CB coming in the next week or so, and moving forward, and also EMPI, so that's what's coming in there. And then moving forward into more disc brake kits and some other little projects. So yeah, that's what we've been up to. Just a wee short update, but yeah, if you want to ever see more detail on something, or would like to know more about an individual specific product or something, let us know, and if we can get the time, we'll go in more depth and let you know about that. So yep, don't forget to forget to like, subscribe, whatever the terms are, and yeah, because the algorithm doesn't work unless you do that, apparently they tell me. So yeah, it'd be good to just get a little bit more following, and hopefully I'll make it produce some more videos so you guys can enjoy. Thanks for your time. Cheers. Bye.